Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio and I'm back again with another Lumnio lesson. In this one, we'll learn all about work instruction requirements. We'll talk about creating tools, consumables, and qualifications. We'll add them to our work instructions and we'll explore how to add requirements to a specific step. So, let's get started. We'll begin on the Content Creators dashboard. But we won't be staying here long. Let's switch to the Tools page. This is where the tools live. A tool is simply anything that's reusable and can help you complete the work instructions. It can be a wrench, a drill, or a specialized tooling. So let's create one. We'll create a wrench. It will be a Torx wrench because Torx is best. We can also choose an alternative friendly name. We don't need it now, but if the name of the tool was complicated, we could use this field to use the correct jargon to add a name people actually use. You can also choose between a standard tool and a tooling for better organization. We can add an ID and a picture, so let's add a picture. Let's click the Create button and we're done. We can now use the tool in our work instructions. Let's switch to the Consumables page. Consumables are everything that is used and used up during the work instructions. For example, fluids, screws, or spare parts. Creating is the same as the tools, with the only difference being that you can choose between a simple consumable and a spare part. So let's create a washer fluid canister. Once we're done, let's switch to the last page, the qualifications. This is the simplest of them all. Here you can add certificates, skills, or anything else that is distinct for a group of people. To do that, just click this button up top. We'll create a mechanic qualification. Now that we have everything we need, let's switch back to the work instructions from the previous videos and add the requirements. You can add requirements globally right after the header. We'll add the ones we created. You can specify a quantity and add a note or units. For example here, we might want 1 bottle. Now that we have assigned the requirements, we can go more in depth and specify the steps exactly. Let's select this step, for example. Click on the Consumables button and add the washer fluid. Things added globally will show up first, but if you want to add more things, you can. They will end up in the header automatically. This makes sure your workers know exactly what they will need to complete the work instructions. And that's everything for the requirements. We learned how to create tools, consumables, and qualifications, how to add them to the work instructions, and how to add them to steps. I hope you enjoyed this Lumnio lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.